In this multiple choice question, from the given option, they are directing us to specify the correct option illustrating viviparity exhibiting human parasite. For this, let me have a understanding about oviparity, means egg-laying animal. That phenomena is exhibited by option A, C and D. So we are ignoring option A, C and D and we are choosing option B. Why? Because this nematoda Trichinella spiralis is giving the younger one as a larva, and this larva after the development becomes a new species. The female nematoda is longer than the male nematoda. Why? Because to give the younger one, that means it is exhibiting viviparity. So Trichinella spiralis is the correct answer. So we are choosing option B as the correct answer and we are ignoring option A, C and D to secure 4 mark. What are the points we told with this pictorial representation? We are giving as a sentence-wise narration so that we can get the better clarity. Pig, bear, horses, rat and human are known to harbor nematoda parasite Trichinella spiralis. It is the cause of the illness called trichinosis. In human, the front side of the body is thinner than the back side. In female, the anterior side is where the larva hatches, whereas the posterior side is where the developing egg are found. As an example of endoparasite, the deposit egg includes Ascaris lumbricoides and Cyclomata duodeni, Enterobicus vermicularis. All these are all the wrong options, so we are ignoring option A, C and D. Trichinella spiralis is therefore the correct response. Why? Because it is exhibiting viviparity. With this specification, we are choosing option B as a correct answer to secure 4 mark.